How to get Ria Money transfer promo code. So first things first, before you go ahead and use this specific app right here or via the web version of Ria Money transfer, let's try and lessen down the transaction fee or even the charge fee by getting a promo code. Now open up any preferred web browser in your end and then just simply type in couponfollow.com. This is actually my always go-to website when it comes to promotional codes and coupon codes. So in here, what you want to do is to go to search for store and type in Ria. Now it will always be showing on the first result, and simply click on that. And then you will be redirected to the page in which you will have a lot of options to choose, whether you'll get the $15 off, $3 off, save with promotionals, and so on and so forth. So if you would like to choose any of these codes, all you have to do is just to click on show coupon code so that you can copy this unique code and then use it on Ria Money Transfer. That is how you get Ria Money Transfer promo codes.